Welcome back. We're in Frisco, Texas, about 1,500 miles from New York City. But if you think you have to travel all the way to the Big Apple for an authentic New York deli, think again. Start spreading the deli news. Slather on the cream cheese. Now, you won't have to wake up in the city that never sleeps to get your fill of kosher dill pickles, steaming bowls of matzo ball soup, and piles of pastrami on rye. Do you guys smell that? Because we found an authentic New York-style Jewish deli in none other than Frisco, Texas.
By the way, you don't have to be Jewish to love deli.
No, I'm a testament to that. Who could resist homemade challah bread, hand-sliced Nova lox, and the best Reuben sandwich west of the Hudson River?
This is probably the best Reuben sandwich I've ever had.
Locals love these classic deli sandwiches, like this triple-decker club, piled high with pastrami, corned beef, and crunchy coleslaw.
Everything is fresh, and the meats are cured to perfection.
Texas transplants sing high praise for the familiar flavors from the Big Apple.
I'm from New York, so this is the closest thing to a New York sandwich place in all of Texas that I know of, so really good.
It's all thanks to this auto executive turned restaurateur who surprised even himself when he made a career swap to open the deli. And from the auto industry to the restaurant business.
Right.
And a deli, something so unique in Texas.
Never thought that was going to happen, but when I moved to Dallas in 1980, I immediately looked around and found the original Deli News and decided I was going to not just eat there every day, but maybe own one.
Rick was a loyal customer at the original Deli News in Dallas for nearly 30 years before launching a location of his own. This is the real deal deli. Anyone that's been to New York.
Most all of our food comes in directly shipped from New York. Our bagels, our fish, our briskets, our beef, all come from New York.
That's why those bagels are so darn good, right?
A lot of people come here that have grown up in New York or Boston or Philly, and they tell us that we are right on.
You can't be the real deal without genuine New York bagels and cream cheese.
The cream cheese is just like what I remember growing up, so really, really good.
With fun flavors like strawberry, chive, and garden veggie, just like the bodegas in Brooklyn. I think Seinfeld did wonders for deli food. Do you ever have people come in thinking about, I want a marble rye or...
So with Seinfeld, they definitely come in talking about black and white cookies.
Yep.
The matzo ball soup.
Oh yeah.
Those are
Potato
the
knishes, latkes, which is a potato pancakes. And if they act up, we say, no soup for you.
Don't skip dessert. The deli counter is filled with colorful sweet treats. But no trip to Deli News is complete without a taste of the classic Reuben sandwich.
It's lots of meat and sauerkraut, and I like that.
How much is here?
Half a pound.
Half a pound.
Maybe a little more.
Half a pound. So we're talking a meaty sandwich. Stacked on toasted rye with melted Swiss cheese, a mountain of sauerkraut, and served with creamy Russian dressing. My question is, how do you eat this? It's huge. I'm in New York.
New York and Frisco.
If I haven't convinced you to drop what you're doing and head to Deli News, maybe this guy can. I kind of want to call you the pickle guy.
I come in weekly and order like 3 or 4 pounds of pickles.
Whoa.
The full kosher dill pickle, which is the best. That is so good.
From pickles to pastrami, one thing's for sure. If they make it in New York, you can find it at the Deli News in Frisco.
They've got it. Come on down and get it.